Hello guys, let's review this week, trades. Actually, I didn't recorded any trades this week because I had the exam, so I have to upload that assignments. That's why I didn't get that much time to record these trades. So I'll go by my all trades what I have taken in this week. So let's start with the GBP trade. This all the trades I took screenshot and share, on the same day on this Discord. So it is better we will just, stay here and we'll see what we have anticipated and what actually formed on the price action. So GBP JPY, I took first trade on GBP JPY. It was a loss. And so what is the trade? So if you see, we are bullish and we do have some SMT here with this Euro JPY. So I saw, Friday came to this daily fair value gap and we have the gap up, you know. So this candle is Monday candle. So I was bullish on the Monday. Okay. So if I was bullish on the Monday, so I want to buy. So for that I need 4 hour swing formation. So what happened here? This is Asia, and what happened during the London? The London, from the swing point took this low and closed above this, up close candle. Also, one thing is to consider. Also, price took some kind of liquidity here and have some rejection. So this is a little bit low probability. But from the from 5 a.m. candle, I was expecting bullish price action on this candle. Why? Because we already formed the swing point. So my expectation, at least we should go and take this 4 hour 1 a.m. high. So what happened on the 1 hour? If you see 1 hour, this is what I'm talking. We already came to this high and we are starting rejecting. Okay, this makes the setup low probability also, because we don't know if price wants to expand or it wants to consolidate or retrace. We don't know there, because when we take the highs and lows, new phase of price delivery we can expect. So this is what I thought, and still I took the trade on the Monday. And how I took the trade, I waited for this 1 hour swing formation. Okay, when price formed the SMT and took this previous candle low, so what we form? We form the 5 a.m. 5 a.m. swing formation. This is candle one, this is candle two, and I was expecting 7 a.m. to expand to this side. Okay, this was my idea. So if you see 30 minutes, we already formed the swing formation here. So here I want to mark something. See this one. We have expanded. Okay, we came down to this order block. We already formed here the C2, and this candle failed to expand. If this candle is failing to expand, that means we can come and take this low. This would be the right thing to wait, because we are failing to expand. That means we made a failure in. Then we can come to take this low. So earlier I planned, I will wait for this low to get swept, but I get FOMO and I saw here we already formed the swing formation and we can expand. Okay, so this is the thing I need to take note on here. So what happened? Lower time frame confirmation was right. If you see, we have V-shaped reversal. Okay, we have V-shaped reversal, and the entry part is also right. I can say, if you see, this is 6:41. So here is the 6 a.m. open, 6:30 open, 6:30 open within the 5 minute order block. And price, what it did, it came to this fair value gap and expanded. So I saw the chart, I saw the market here. I market executed, and I thought this 6:30 low should keep intact. So I took trade here, and I was targeting 1:2, but market immediately took me out here. Where is it? Yeah, here. So market immediately took me out. Here I took 1% loss on the starting of the week. So let's see what happened actually on the line on that day. So this is Monday. Though Monday closed bullish, but one more thing is here, price expanded a lot on the Friday. So generally Monday, see, it is a consolidation candle. Okay, so also this thing also keep into mind. When Friday expanded a lot, it is a expansion. Monday generally forms some kind of consolidation. So let's see, the Monday price action on 4 hour. See what it did. We try to take trade here. Okay, here market though eventually took the drawn liquidity, but see this consolidation move. If you come to the 1 hour from where the move actually happened, let's see where we took the trade. Where is Monday? Yeah, see, this is Monday. This is where we took the trade. Okay, here we took the trade. What happened? That is what I told you, explained you. Market took this low. If you come to the 30 minute, you will see the same thing happened. So this low, try to this low actually. Okay, let me mark this low. Try to push price higher, but failed. That means what? Now this is the target. See, this is what happened, and the move started from here only. See, market came down, swept this low, also swept this low. Then it started to continue to the upside. Okay, so this thing we need to keep this in our mind. So this is the GBP JPY trade. Also, I had bearish bias on this day also. Also, why? Because we do have some SMT, so we can also we took the range high. So I was expecting price to continue to take this, take this low as well as the weekly fair value. This is what happened on the Friday, but there was no entry opportunity, so I didn't took any entry. Let it be. Now come to the second trade. Uh, okay, now come to the second trade. Here also I executed the market order and got filled high. This is like I was risking $150, but instead of 150, it became I think 192 or something. So the next trade I took on the gold. Gold, as we can see, we are at all time high. So bias is bullish. So if bias is bullish, what we need 4 hour swing point. Here we form on the swing point, but this is like weird candle. If you see, we take the high, we take the low, like big range candle. So yeah, but if you see this daily week is small because this is the daily open. Price came below, so we formed the small wick. So I was expecting price should go and take this high. Okay, so how did I took entry? This entry also could have been avoided because uh, because this range is this range was so big. First of all, this is aggressive move down. What triggered me this equal highs? See this equal highs. This triggered me to take trade here to target at least this high. This was my expectation. Okay, so if I want next 4 hour to open, why the next 4 hour? Because this is a candle two. So I was expecting candle three to expand. So if I need candle three to expand, so I need a swing formation with SMT. So we form the SMT and we form the swing formation on the 5 a.m. open. So 6 a.m. try to expand, but form this liquidity and close below. So I was expecting candle 4 to also expand. So this was my idea. If you come to the if you come to 5 minutes, what do we have? We took this previous candle low and closed above this down close candle. Signature was good, like this was a V-shape signature, and I took the trade entry here and targeting this highs to her. Also, this one also get failed. Price immediately came down and took this low and took me out. But eventually, this trade play, if you see the 9 a.m. open, what happened? We came down. Okay, we came down because this is a range. This low try to the same thing happened on the GBP JPY. When this candle fails to continue, so what happened actually? This become liquidity. The low become liquidity. Price came down, take liquidity, form this candle to closer. Okay, this is the 9 a.m. open, form this candle to closer. See now price expand and took this high. So this here we have the actual trade opportunity. So yeah, this was also a missed win, but I didn't took this trade. Okay, 30 minute I will show you. This is 30-minute candle close here. This is 10 a.m. open. So like model was there. Seen or the down close candle are supporting the price. So I framed this trade here, but I didn't took this trade. And this trade is a win. See this one is to 288. So there was a lot of opportunity here. Okay, there was a lot of opportunity was there, but I don't know why I didn't took. Maybe I took two trades in a day. So I didn't look to, get in. But you can see the bias is actually getting right. The only problem is, timing the entries. Okay, now again came to the gold buy. I took this on, on 15th. So what was the idea? Actually, that time gold was in a range. If you see this one, I'll show you the daily. Okay, so this is the daily candle. This is the daily candle. It is already expanding to the upside. So I need to see if I can take entry here or not. Okay. So how would I take entry? I want 4 hour to show me that it wants to go up. So this is the 4 hour. What happened? We are already expanding. See, this is daily open expanded. We form this key level inside the, inside the same candle, and we we came to this down close candle with this fair value gap, and we formed the candle 2. This is the candle 2. If this is a candle 2, we want, why the candle 2? Because it swept the previous candle low and closed inside the range. So I was expecting this candle to expand. This is a newer candle, 9 a.m. candle. Okay, I was expecting 9 a.m. candle to expand. So if I was expecting 9 a.m. candle to expand, I need what? Swing formation. So this is 9 a.m. open. What it is opening within? This is opening within nothing on the 1 hour. Okay, if you see the 30 minute, we have the swing formation. If you see, this is the swing formation. Okay, we came to this mean threshold of this previous 4 hour candle range. We have liquidity. This cannot be a reversal candle, because why? These are failure swing. So I was expecting this 9 a.m. candle to expand. Why? Because we already formed this fractal model on the 30 minute. This is candle 1, this is candle 2, swept inside the range and close bullish, nice reaction. So I was expecting expansion in this candle. Okay, so this was my idea. So how did I took the entry? Here is the entry. Here is 9 a.m. open, came down to this consecutive down close candle and closed above. So I took entry here. I kept stop loss here. Where are the bodies? I was expecting price should not come all the way down towards body and to go up. So this was my trade idea. What happened? Price came down and took me out. Okay, price came down and took me out. But here also we form another entry with the SMT. I didn't took that trade also. I shared this thing. See here, not this is euro. Okay, so what happened after this? I need to share. So after price came down and took me out, it actually moved to this target. See, I saw here what I have done. I supposed to take entry on the order block and keep the stop loss at the low, and that would be a nice nice entry, valid win. This is I cannot say this is invalid, but I was not expecting this deep retracement. Here also we have the entry. See this down close candle, from the SMT, price closed above this. Here is the another entry, and this entry also was clean. Okay, okay, that is the gold trade. So that same day I took the euro USD trade also, and I will show you. Did I share? Yeah, the Euro USD is a clear, is a clean move, because from the weekly open, it is a Monday, Tuesday from the low of the week. I was expecting Wednesday to continue to this upside. Also, you will see this is a single candle, and there are three candle inside it, and this candle, third candle, swept the range low. So this is a range actually. One candle, within one candle, we have three, four candle. That means this is a range or consolidation. If you sweep the one side, then we can target another side. This was my idea. So this is the daily open. Daily open is daily candle. Daily candle is supporting expansion by the small wick. Okay, first thing. Now I need what? I need swing formation. What is the swing formation? Okay, not swing formation. Let's see the 4 hour. I need 4 hour swing point to take trade. Okay, because my idea is to take entry within this 4 hour expansion. What happened? Price expanded to this high. See, we leave this failure swing. So I was not expecting price to reverse from here. So what happened? This 5 m candle came to this 4 hour fair value gap and closed near to the wick. If price goes near to the wick, we can expect next candle should sweep the previous candle low and should expand. This should supposed to be a reversal to expansion candle. So this was my idea. How did I took the entry? I took the entry on 30 minute. If you see the 30 minute, where is the 30 minute? Yeah, if you see the 30 minute, we already found the swing point. So if we are looking to take trade on the 4 hour expansion, we need 1 hour or 30 minute swing point. This is swing point, candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Okay, we already found the nice swing point with the SMT at key level. So I took this trade basically on the 15 minute. See this, I was waiting for the 3 minute and 5 minute entry, but I didn't get any entry. So I took this trade on the 15 minute. 15 minute, what it did, came down, consecutive down close candle. Price closed above it. I take the entry here at the retest, keep the stop loss just below this order block. Sorry, just below this breaker. This, see this up close candle. I put this stop loss here. So I was not expecting deep retracement, and this was my target. So what happened? Yeah, this is the clear win. Clear win. See, price came down. Price from the order block. It came down, and it was close to my stop loss actually, but didn't invalidate, didn't hit my stop loss. What happened? It came to this M15 fair value gap and expanded to the highs. Actually, there was a very good entry on this candle. See this candle swept this candle low. Here we have the very good entry. I'll show you. I share this thing here. See U11 AM trade, SMT, open low, high close, V shape, CISD and fair value. Everything was there. So what happened actually? Price came to the upside, formed this equal highs. So we cannot reverse from this equal highs. Okay, we at least need to sweep one high to go reverse. Also, if you see, this is expansion and this is a retracement signature. Why? Because we are leaving all these failures in. So what happened here on the 11 a.m. open? I was expecting reversal to expansion candle. Price just open, came down, swept this low, form SMT, and have this change in state of delivery. See, this is a nice entry with 5 bar. So this could have also one trade. I didn't took because I already took one loss on the gold. So this was the second trade, 2 trades a day. So now I am strict with my the trade discipline, trade taking discipline also. Sorry, not discipline, trade taking rules. And also I am sticking with New York session now. If you see, all these trade are taken on New York session. Okay, last 3 trade. So it helps me because if I'll take trade on London and if it is a win or loss, it affect my psychology because I still have time to come to the chart and see the chart. And if there is something, it gets trigger me. So now I thought it is better to stick with the New York because though if I'll take loss or win, I don't have time to take many trades because the session is about to, will be about to close. So this thought, so I thought this would have also helped me on my psychology as well as the, as well as the frequency of the trade. So yeah, so this is the first win I took on the week, and this covers the last two loss also. This is a 1:2 2.2 R trade. I think here I took. Okay, now come to the GU sell, which I took on, yesterday. So this trade is a TGIF. TGIF, that means what? Thanks God it's Friday. It's from ICT concept. So what happened from the weekly open? What is TGIF? Let's understand. TGIF is, Friday is closing the range inside the weekly candle. Okay, so this is the bullish weekly candle. We came down, swept the low, Tuesday form low of the week, and then this is the classic expansion Wednesday, Thursday continues. Okay, when there is a classic expansion week, we can expect Friday to cap the range. So this is what I was looking for. So what happened actually? Price from the opening, it opened up, open high from the SMT, took this previous candle high, and I was waiting for the swing formation. See, this is the nice reaction. What happened? See these failure swings are here, and what happened from the open? This is the daily open. Price open form took this range high from the SMT and closed inside. This 4 hour is supporting the idea. 4 hour is showing this, bearish expansion candle. It took the high and the strong momentum to the downside. It is a strong body as well as the reversal candle. So I was expecting what next few candles to expand to this, daily open as well as these lows, silver swings. This was my idea. If you come to the 1 hour chart, this is the 5 a.m. open. 5 a.m. open. What it did, I came to the chart at 8 a.m. Not here. Okay, because if you see, we already formed the swing point here. Then again we formed the here. Okay, so I came to the chart at 8 a.m. So I saw we formed the swing point here at the 1 hour. And if you see, this is a V-shape reversal, expansion going up, expansion going down. We have this change in state of delivery. So daily week is formed as well as swing point is formed. So I was expecting 8 a.m. to expand to this close. Okay, so this is where I took the entry. See, this CISD is not, CISD means change in state of delivery. It's not so perfect. It's just a consolidation type of move. But I took trade here. We have the SMT. We formed the change in state of delivery by closing below the sub close candle. I took limit order here and I targeted 2 hour. Okay, why I targeted 2 hour? Because I thought this is a reversal candle. It is better to also Friday better to stick with 2 hour only, not to be greedy and target this previous daily lows. So what happened? Uh, yeah, it hit the target. Let's see what happened actually after that because I haven't checked the chart yesterday. See this one, see this candle formation. It came towards this previous daily candle low. If you see the 4 hour, see this is the 5 a.m. candle. Okay, 5 a.m. candle. It didn't took this liquidity. So here also I have one entry on the 9 a.m. open. Okay, I didn't took here because we have unfinished business, so we can still expect continuation to the downside on this 9 a.m. On this 9 a.m. open also we have swing point formation. If you come to the 1 hour, you will see. And this is 4 hour open. Okay, this is 4 hour open here. So we have still drawn liquidity here. We are closing here 9 a.m. 9 a.m. What it did, it retraced to the upside and to here to this, not to this order block, maybe on 30 minutes somewhere else. Yeah, see 30-minute swing formation here inside this fair value gap. Okay, we found the swing point. Actually, you can look to take trade here. This is reversal to expansion candle and last stage of market maker model. So this price, this last stage will be an explosive move. So if you come to the 3 minute, you will see here. Here we have the entry. This is the order block. Okay, price came down. Also, if you'll see, this is the retest of the order block. Actually, you could have taken trade anywhere, maybe somewhere else, somewhere here, and targeted this lows. Okay, so this is also the near about 5 hour trade. So though I took this trade, I took the win here. I didn't look to take any more trades. So 1 win a day, I end up with the trading. This is what I have now, the new rules. Okay. So this is all trade. How much trade I took? I took maybe 4 trade, 2 win, 2 loss, and I end up this week with green 1% profit. So it is not bad, not a loss or not a break even. So yeah, what are the things I marked here? This week I have this week this week I have seen the result of New York session. Okay. Also it helps. Also it helps with my psychology. Excuse my spelling. Is it the right spelling? PSYCOLOGY. I don't know. Who cares? Okay. So it helps me also with my psychology, and I was I was not you know tempted this week to look for more threads. So this is what what I observed in this week. So yeah, I will stick with this one session and with these pairs. This is all I will do, and I have no doubt in my model, in my ability. The only thing I am facing problem with my psychology. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll do this weekly analysis and I'll update it tomorrow.